Working on job sites often means difficult, constricted conditions. In many cases, it is not possible to fully extend the supports, so the crane can only use a limited amount of its capacity. Liebherr has developed a new, unique system which allows cranes to be used in these situations more safely, flexibly, and using more of their capacity. The VarioBase Variable Supporting Base. VarioBase enables each support to be extended individually to varying lengths as far as space constrictions allow. The extension length and support force of each individual support are continuously measured. The maximum load capacities are calculated by the crane's onboard computer and permanently updated in real time as the crane is operated. This means that crane operation under such conditions is controlled by the load moment indication of the Liebherr system, a major plus in terms of safety. The crane operator can see the current status of the crane, since the details of the extension length and support force of each individual support are displayed in the crane cabin on the Liebherr monitor. A dot within the resulting tipping edges indicates the current center of gravity of the overall system, comprising the crane and its load. The Liebherr planner has been upgraded with the variable support base system VarioBase, enabling crane use with varying support lengths to be planned in advance. The crane operator can simulate lifts on the Liebherr monitor in the crane cabin while at the job site, and planners can prepare crane operations in constricted conditions back at their office in advance. The VarioBase from Liebherr means that it is possible to work safely with any support base, and accidents caused by incorrect operation can be avoided, both during the setup process and when handling loads. The newly developed VarioBase not only provides increased safety, but also greater load capacity and a larger working range for the crane. We will now show you the main features and benefits in a practical comparison test involving two LTC 1045 cranes. The left one does not have VarioBase, the right one does. The situation is as follows. Due to the constricted space, a support width of just 4.4 meters is possible. The state-of-the-art to date only allowed the crane to be erected with half its support base. On the crane with VarioBase, the outriggers can be extended fully independently. In this case, one side by 0% and the other side by 100%. Both cranes have a load of 2 tons, including the hook and lifting gear. As the crane only has half its maximum support base, the overload limiter stops the crane movement at a radius of 20.5 meters on the standard crane. The LTC with VarioBase already has a clear advantage here. Just to remind you, its supports are fully extended on one side. And this means that the crane with VarioBase can achieve the same capacity as a crane with fully extended supports on both sides. But VarioBase has even more potential than that. When hoisting directly over the supports, the crane with VarioBase can achieve a radius of 33 meters. A whole 5 meters more than a crane with fully extended outriggers. In a constricted site situation, as in this case, it is a full 12.5 meters more than the standard crane. The crane can offer this capacity in a slewing range of 25 degrees above the supports. The new VarioBase technology drastically increases the range of uses of Liebherr mobile cranes. The variable supporting base makes the crane more flexible in everyday work, particularly in difficult conditions, enabling it to provide greater safety and more capacity. VarioBase is a genuine Liebherr innovation. By the way, VarioBase enables you to equal or even surpass the capacities of some larger crane models.